ultimate meatball.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Do you remember going to carnivals, going down the shore and going on rides, and then you go to get your favorite snack? Well, my 3 favorite snacks: funnel cake, cotton candy, and churros. Let me tell you, churros is probably one of my favorites, if it's cooked right. So today, we're gonna make some homemade churros with a homemade chocolate sauce.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I'm Frankie Meatball, I have a cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Frankie Meatball, take some time and enjoy my show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Churros, very simple to make. You only need a few ingredients. I'm gonna go over the ingredients right now. You need 1.5 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of, not bourbon, but vanilla extract. You need 4 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of flour, and 3 eggs. My advice to you guys, do it smart. Get everything ready and out that you need and measured, okay? Because once it starts rolling, it's going to roll, and it's going to roll fast. So you want to have everything ready and be prepared. So now you get yourself a nice sauce pot. All right, you want to put it on a nice medium flame. Okay, you get your milk, which is 1.5 cups, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, you get your 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and you get your 4 tablespoons or your 1/4 of a cup of butter. Make sure you get yourself a nice whisk, or if you want to use a rubber spat, it's up to you. Now you got your butter in there, right? Last thing, nice pinch of salt to taste, nice little pinch. You don't have to go crazy, just a nice little pinch, you know what I'm saying? I mean, if you want a measurement, I would say do a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, but it's up to you. You're gonna bring us to a nice little boil. Now that that's coming to a boil, you throw your flour in. And then you whisk. Whiskey. And it's gonna start thickening up. Okay, you want to get all that mixed in. We're going to take her over and put our eggs in. Nicey nice, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 egg in at a time and mix. Okay? I like putting it on the side and make sure I don't get any shells in it. Okay, you put it in, now you mix. 1 egg in, you mix. Just make sure there's no shells in it, because when you're working with this, last thing you want is a nice crunchy churro. Well, you want a crunchy churro, but not that kind of crunch, you know what I'm saying? You mix that in there, I'm telling you, it's gonna look nice. Like I said, if you start getting tired with the whisk, like I am, you could use your spat. You wanna get yourself a piping bag. Well, you know, I use the biggest nozzle they have. Get yourself a piping bag, put it in a big cup, and then throw the top over it. While your oil's heating up, let's make our sugar and cinnamon mixture, okay? Which is 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon. That's it. Okay, so you got a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. You put that in a little bowl or something, and then just mix it together. Alright guys, I started out, I had my bag full to the brim. Don't put too much in if you got these cheap bags, reusable bags, throwaway bags. These are cheap, you cannot overfill them. They are not going to, so you know, put a little bit at a time. Okay, so we got our oil to 350. We want to just, you know, make little lines. Okay, cut, let it drop in, okay? Okay, about like 3 minutes per side. Then flip them. You want a nice color to them. They're gonna cook nicey nice. See that? I'm gonna give that another minute or two. See how it's split open? It's fine, guys. Don't worry about it. It's still gonna get cooked. Make sure you got yourself a nice rack. They want to drip them dry a little bit. We're gonna stick them in the oven. When we're done, I'm gonna keep them nice and warm. And we're gonna make a chocolate sauce. Now you got your churros. Oven's on 200. We're gonna keep these bad boys warm. And we're gonna make some chocolate sauce. Okay, the chocolate sauce, okay? Get yourself a cup of heavy cream. You wanna put it in there with 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna give it a little mix. And we're gonna bring that to a boil. All right, now your heavy cream is boiling. Okay, what we're gonna do is 1 cup of chocolate chips. It's gonna look like chocolate milk for a while, but it will tighten up. All right, I took the chocolate sauce off the stove. I'm gonna let it cool off now, and as it cools off, keep giving it a little stir, and it's gonna thicken up. Take a look at this, guys. My chocolate sauce going off a bit, right? You get your cinnamon sugar. Make sure you put it in a nice big bowl. So you get your churro and roll it in. Look at that. I'm doing another one for you. Get your churro. Make sure you get it all in the cracks. Roll it in, bring it back, and all that sugar. Take a look at that. Now with my churros, I like a good cup of coffee. Like I said, there's nothing like a good cup of coffee with a nice, fresh treat. Let me tell you about my coffee. My coffee comes from Bada Bean Cawfee. Check them out. Here's their website below. Let me tell you guys, they spell coffee the way I say coffee. C-A-W-F-E-E. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with Bada Bean Cawfee. All right, see how that thickened up nicely? Very nice, right? Then we're gonna drizzle it on our churros. This chocolate sauce looks so yummy. Oh man! Bada Bean Cawfee, churros, homemade chocolate sauce, homemade churros, guys. Let me tell you, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. And like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers of rock. And again, guys, in the description, get your Bada Bean Cawfee. Yes, it's coffee. Forget about it. Hey, guess what? Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.
I'm just a man who loves to cook. And it's not a show you get from a book. And when I do my show, I have no script. Don't slip with the pepper. You may burn your lips. The show has my name, and it's not a game. Do it with passion from my heart. So if you have a request, let me know and I'll do my best. I bring it to the show. hungry and you need a snack. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I heard the shows are lots of fun. There's no show like Frankie Meatball. Don't forget a new show every Wednesday. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. And when my show is done, you have a good recipe, and I know you had some fun. I'm just a man who loves to cook. So remember, you see it here on the Frankie Meatball Show. Frankie
Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production. You saw me advertise my new shirt? Here it is, huh? Is it gravy? Is it sauce? No, my friends, it's resource.